Okay, I have this mixed up Rubik's. You see, everybody?
Sorry, but that's what to tell you. You guys can sit there, but I'm gonna go. I'm gonna sit up here. I still have a good view. Look!
I'm gonna go up here too.
And I'll eat you too.
Yes, big brains.
After this, TZA is going to be thrown in jail for teasing. So now,
Yeah, so be it.
just do it, Joey.
Okay, so I have this 2x2 Rubik's Cube and it looks unsolvable, especially with these double blue corner and duplicates. But here it is. Hotsy-totsy, rigmarole, ravioli, a sausage, whatever. It's solved.
It's actually
Here.
2 Rubik's dolls.
I don't think she did it.
Who did it?
Penelope, I don't think you did it.
Nobody did it but you!
And, no. Hey, you're stealing my magic thunder! No! Hey, I've knocked the box away! Darn it. Oh.
Whatever.
Oh, gosh. What's the time?
Time.
Oh, look.
Time.
Oh, gosh, what's the time? Oh, gosh, it's late. And I'll have to brush my teeth. Can I borrow that? Hey! That's for stealing somebody's hair. You're going to jail. You too. Woo!
Oh, whatever. Whatever. Mayo, I think your snack is done, Mayo. I don't think you were paying attention.
Oh, yes, I was paying attention because I was looking this way. It's done. I'm gonna flip these down. So, the end. Forever and ever.
I say now, the end, and be sure to be kind.